Hello. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to save your file. So what you will need to do first, alright? Okay, click on menu. Okay, click on project and then save as. Okay, next what you need to do, okay, you can save it inside your Google Drive, okay, provided you have a Gmail. Okay, so what you need to do is click on cloud save. Okay, make sure that okay you have signed in to your Google Drive, okay, and it will automatically go into your account. Okay, what you need to do is, alright, after you already name your file, you can just click on save. Go to menu, project, save as, download a copy. Okay, click on that and you will need to name your file. Okay, and I will click on the OK button. Okay, if you have already assigned okay which folder you want to save your game into, it will automatically go to that particular folder, okay, or drive. Okay, for now what I have already done is I already created a folder for my games which is named construct 2 or 3. Okay, what I need you to do is make sure okay you name your file. Okay, I have already named it as amazing game. What I need to do is just click on the folder that I want to save it into. Okay, what you need to do next is just click on save. This is for those who are using your school laptop. You will need to make some changes. What you need to do is look up at the top right hand corner of your laptop. You will see an icon with 3 dots. What you need to do is click on it, search for the setting which is right at the bottom, click on it and it will forward you to this page. What you need to do is to scroll down until you see the word advanced. Click on it and look out for download. Okay, if your location is at sea, you will need to make changes. What you need to do is click on the change button. Okay, look out for this PC, click on it and then scroll down. Okay, since I'm using my laptop, I will not see any other drive beside these 2 drive. Okay, you will see your BC number, okay, or okay data D. Okay, what you need to do is you have 2 choices: save it on data D, or you can click on your data with your BC number. Okay, once you have already decided which drive that you want to save it on, select folder. Okay, click on that, alright, and you will see the changes over here. If you save it on data D, you will see the letter D, and if you want to save it in your own disk space or the one with your BC number, you will see drive F. So once you are done, okay, you can go back to construct 3, click on menu, choose project, save as, and choose download a copy. Okay, when you click that, it will automatically go to the drive that you have already assigned. If you are done, good. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.